Hi boys and girls, so for this one I am showing you the answers because these are just possible answers. They are not the answers that everybody's going to get. So I would like to challenge you to come up with different answers, not the ones that are just on the screen. Now for this particular exercise, I would encourage you to create different little triangles that when you put them together, they make a square. See that? Because you're going to be using those shapes to create other shapes. So for example, let's look at this shape right here. What is this a shape of? When you put it together, forget that there's lines in the middle. It's a rectangle, right? Now, how many triangles does it take to make a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking at. How many triangles does it take to create a rectangle? Okay, so looking at that, and then give me different examples. This one you're going to be looking at, use the shapes from problem 3, so this problem, to create a trapezoid and draw it. So here's your trapezoid. I want you to try and create one on your own. What does that look like? And then answer the question on the bottom. Yeah, just to kind of give you an example. These are a little bit harder to explain because you need a really good visual. So I use this. Now, for this one, it's asking you to create different shapes using these. So different things, like for example, what does that look like right there? These 3 shapes, what does that look like? It could be a rocket. You could turn around and make it a house. Yeah, you're going to use these shapes on the bottom to create 2 different shapes on the top. So again, my tip for you would be to create them, to actually make these shapes out of paper and play with them. What different things can you come up with? What are some different objects that you can make using these shapes? Okay, so I'm going to challenge you to look into your imagination. Now, boys and girls, what's really, really important are these games, though. For this particular lessons are these games. They are teaching you a little bit more straight to the point about fractions. So this one deals with just equal parts. Okay, it's a 17-minute game. If you had to choose between iExcel and the interactive games for this particular lesson, I would say do the games. Do the games, take pictures of them and send them to me, and I'll give you credit instead of using your iExcel. But please, please, please do these games. They are really good and they're super helpful. There's 3 of them. Yeah, see, so look, this one is about dividing shapes into 4 equal parts. And you're actually dividing them like if you had a sandwich. This is about halves and fourths. It goes even more into that. So please make sure you play the games that I posted on the slide. Yeah? Have fun with it.